Lemon, it begins with L. L. Potato, P. Where is P? P, P, O. Here it is. Now, orange, where is O? Here. Hello, today we are going to learn the phonic sounds and using the phonic sound to identify the name of the objects. This is a very easy and open-ended activity where, as per your kid level, you can make the activity a little bit tougher for them. Like, you can ask the spelling of the object, you can ask the beginning letter and the ending letter of the object, and also we are going to do worksheet at the end of the video using these objects with their beginning letter. So let's start. Corn, K, K. Letter C. Lemon, L, L, L. It begins with L. Orange, O, O. It begins with letter O. Watermelon, W, W. Begins with letter W. Brinjal, B, B. Letter B. It begins with letter B. Apple, A, A. Apple. It begins with letter A. Pear, pear. P, P. It begins with letter P. Strawberry, S, S. It begins with letter S. Now we have just revised the beginning sound. Make some sticky notes like this and stick it, as this will be more fun for your kids than writing. Sometimes the kids don't like to write that much, but they would definitely like to see these colorful sticks. Okay. Now we have our object here, and you can ask your child to pick the object which begins with that letter. Now your child already knows the sound and the name of these objects. So corn, it begins with C. Good. Watermelon, it begins with W. Strawberry, it begins with S. Lemon, it begins with L. L. Potato, P. Where is P? P, P, O. Here it is. Now orange, where is O? Here. Now where is brinjal? B. It's here. And what's left now? So this is pear, P, and this is apple, A. This is the best way where you can teach the letters, beginning letter, end letter, as well as spellings, because if you keep showing these cards, your child will remember the spelling of these objects. Now the second part of this activity is arranging these objects in the alphabetical sequence, and it is a brain boosting activity for your kids where these objects will be arranged in the order of alphabets like A, B, C. It will follow that sequence. Let's arrange it in the alphabetical order, starting from letter A. Now, so this is strawberry, this is apple. Now they will remember what they did in activity 1, where they identified the object with their beginning letter. So they are going to use that knowledge to arrange these objects. So A, apple, is the first letter, so it will come first. After A comes B. Do we see anything with B? Brinjal. Good. It comes after A. Now after B comes C. C. Oh, corn. It begins with K. Letter C. Here comes C. After C comes D. Do we see anything with D? No. E? No. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, I see something with L. This is lemon. After L comes M. Do we see anything with M? No. N? No. O? Yes, we see O. Orange. After O comes P. What we see with P? Oh, pears, just in the right order. After P comes, oh, I see something more with P. Potato, yes. After P comes Q. No. R. No. But I see something with S. Strawberry. After S comes T. No. U. V. W. It's watermelon. Now these are in the sequence. They will put it in front of the objects. Strawberry, watermelon. So now you see these activities are multifold activities where you can make it as hard as you can and equally fun, and your child will never realize that they have done so many work in one simple set of fruits and vegetables. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.